Okay, round 2. Oh god, not this place. Maybe I should plan monsoon. Okay. Oh, it's just this. Okay. Definitely soldier syringe. Come on, can I not? Soldier syringe to the max. Oh gosh, is it gonna lag every time I jump? That's pretty all random. Oh, just enough. Okay. Okay then. Ezekiel? Or Brill Behemoth? I would go Ezekiel right now. I'm feeling pretty Tesla right now. Mr. Tesla. Get Tesla. Ah, only at 1.5 for each. Ah, there. This is just gonna be the same run as that last successful run. Oh, I can actually do that. Okay, we are getting this. I wasn't Tesla working. Oh god, I do not have large platforms here. Not good. Oh god. I'm gonna do a stationary run. I don't think that's more interesting. Let you know. Okay, never mind. Looks like I'm not staying here. Let's get... Definitely. Need it protected. Come at me! Hit me! My gosh, I have Captain's Brooch. I can do this. I just need the regen. Because right now my regen is pretty abysmal. Oh, come on, one more. Bastard. Come on, one more. One more. Come on. Not what I said, but that'll do. Let's go with... I'm feeling ballsy. Oh gosh. How I would get what is how I could easily get into this. Oh, you bastard. This may be too hard. Come on, give me the monies. No. 111, okay. And staying over here. And waiting. Okay, let's first of all, should I get monster stew? That's what we did for right now. Almost have enough. No. I'm gonna not stop the next recording. I'm not gonna not stop the next recording until I'm up to a high enough level where it's more exciting. I'm gonna get to see explosions and cool stuff. I should probably upload these in order. These are always the videos where I fuck around. Those when I get the most views. I mean, seriously, come on, people. Okay, let's get another one of these. I should probably get Piggy Bank. So I have to use this one a lot. Glass runs all the way. Oh god, they're both high up. Come on, little fella, let's see how good you are. I didn't even need to teleport away to get this gate taken down from that. Come on. Oh gosh, this game is lagging. I really want to play this with someone. Someone. And there's a thought from the past. I missed. Oh my gosh. Alright, first. Or banner. Oh my god, lifesaver. Finally, 56 leaf clover. Elites Maz have a chance to drop items. Finally.